How to find saved videos on YouTube. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you find saved videos on YouTube. To do this, you have to first of all open your YouTube application. And now, for example, in my case, I'm just gonna go ahead and first of all just open up a random video, and then I'm going to save this. So let's see if this is the one. When this opens up, at the bottom you could see multiple tabs. So then you could see this option is save, right? You could go ahead and click on the save button, and as you could see, save to recent playlist, watch later. Now then, what you want to do is exit out of this page, click the U button from the bottom of the page or from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen, and after which you simply want to scroll down, and here you have a playlist, right? You could go ahead and click on a playlist option, and by default you could find the saved video on YouTube right on this page. So you could go ahead and open this up, and this is how you'll be able to find the saved video on YouTube. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.